Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to recover Facebook password without changing it. In this process, you can't recover not only Facebook password but also LinkedIn, Instagram, and many more. So, don't delay, let's dive into it. First of all, we will see how to recover Facebook password on PC. First of all, open New tab. Then, click on three-dot menu, top right corner, and open Sidebar. Inside this sidebar, scroll down and click on Settings. Then, go to left sidebar, find Autofill and Password option, and click on it. After that, click on Google Password Manager. Next, scroll down and find Facebook. Click this Facebook icon. Here, you can find your forgotten password. Click this little eye icon to see your forgotten password. Here you can also see the number which was used for making Facebook account. Then, click on left arrow sign for go back to the menu. Next, scroll down and click freelancer icon. Here you can see your freelancer account password. Then, click on left arrow sign for go back to the menu. Next, click on GitHub icon to see your GitHub account password. In this way you can see your all saved password on Google Chrome browser. Now, we should to move mobile screen. How you can recover your Facebook password on Android mobile. On mobile screen, first open Google Chrome browser. After that, go to three-dot menu, top right corner, and click on it. It's open right sidebar. In this right sidebar, find Settings and click on it. Inside this Settings, open Google Password Manager. In this Password Manager, select Facebook. Then give your mobile PIN or use your finger to unlock this. Now click this little eye icon for watching your Facebook password. While I'm recording, it's getting dark for security. In this process, you can recover your Facebook password on Android mobile as well. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up on this video and subscribe for getting new update.